These days, combine harvesters handle the vast majority of the world's grain harvest. They harvest up to 100 tons of wheat per hour or more than 500 million hectares of cultivated land each year, using less and less fuel, working in connected machine fleets, and documenting the yield area-specific. They are increasingly optimizing their performance and efficiency thanks to their onboard machine intelligence. As one of the world's leading suppliers in this segment, CLAAS has been shaping the development and production of these impressive harvesting machines with groundbreaking innovations and products for almost 90 years. Entrepreneurial and engineering spirit, as well as the consistent will to enable farmers to be the best in their field, turned a small machine manufacturer into a world-renowned company and one of the most important international drivers of progress in the combine harvester business in just a few years. Milestones such as MDB, Super, Matador, Senator, and of course Dominator and Lexion not only helped CLAAS to become the European market leader, but also allowed it to grow into one of the biggest players in the field of global grain harvesting. A legacy that the current CLAAS combine harvester family, consisting of Lexion, Trion, Avion, and Dominator, continues with an eye on future challenges. Today, CLAAS produces combine harvesters, cutter bars, and corn pickers in a wide variety of types, performance classes, and variants at several locations around the world, based on the experience of building 500,000 machines. To mark these 500,000 success stories, anniversary machines will leave the CLAAS factory halls on 3 continents in 2024 with their special paintwork in silver metallic and sea green metallic colors, as well as large-scale lettering. They build a bridge between the most important eras in CLAAS combine harvester history and the present. And they are the vanguard of a message that every new CLAAS combine harvester will soon carry out into the fields of the world. Combines from CLAAS. More than a machine.